Microsoft Edge is the default browser in Windows 11. You might want to use a different browser. There is an easy way to change it. Right-click on Start and go to Settings. Select Apps, then select the default apps. Type the name of your browser in the search bar and click on it. Click Set by Default. Windows is white by default. It is very easy to change this. Click Personalization. We select Colors. You can select the dark theme and choose your mode. You can turn on the transparency feature for a slightly softer look. You can also change the Windows colors. A big change in Windows 11 is that the Start button and Pin programs are now centered in the taskbar. Some people love it, some people hate it. If you are in the second group like me, the solution is very simple. Right-click on an empty space and select Taskbar Settings. Select Taskbar Behaviors. Select Left from the drop-down menu for taskbar alignment. A new feature allows us to follow the weather, news, stock market, etc. with a single keystroke. Press Windows and W on our keyboard. Is your storage space constantly filling up? This feature clears unnecessary files. In the System section, go to the Storage and turn on Storage Sense. You should set this setting if your computer is constantly receiving notifications. In the System section, click Notifications. Turn off notifications. Is your computer booting slowly? Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps and right-click on the apps that are not useful to you and disable them. A simple way to find installed apps. Want to pin apps to the taskbar or startup? If you have bad eyesight and have difficulty reading the text on the computer, you can get rid of this problem by enlarging the text. Right-click on the Start menu and go to Settings. We go to the Accessibility section and click on the font size. From here you can choose the one that works for you. Most people don't know that you can easily change the pointer of your mouse. We go to Accessibility and click on Mouse Pointer. Here you can customize your mouse as you like. We can now take screenshots in Windows. We don't need to paste it into Paint. Press Print Screen on the keyboard and select the required area with the mouse. It will be saved under File Pictures Screenshots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.